Yeah?
He's coming.
Yep, there he is. Mason, give it back to her.
Why are you going over there?
'Cause
She's going back over there.
Mason!
We got someone else. Mason! Give me my bicycle back.
It's a scooter.
Give me my scooter back. Awesome.
What's the magic word? I'm just kidding. Here, I'll get it back for you.
Okay.
Alright, can you say bye?
Bye.